How to fix can't change TikTok reason. If you are unable to change your TikTok reason, then here are some working methods to fix it. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Once inside the TikTok app, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen, and there you will get to see some options available on your screen. Now from there, tap on the settings and privacy. Now tap on the account at the top. Once inside account, tap on the account information at the top. Now tap on the country region option available there, and you will get to see a long list of options available. Now let's simply tap on any, and if you see this error, then now simply go back to the settings of your TikTok and scroll down and tap on the report a problem option available there. Once inside report a problem, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the chat with us. Once you tap on the chat with us, a TikTok bot will talk with you. Now here you'll have to say why you cannot change your TikTok reason, and bot will provide you with the information how you can change your country or region, or why changing country or region on TikTok is not updating on your TikTok account. Simply all you have to do is follow this information written here, and if the written information does not work, then simply type down submit a ticket or give me a ticket and send it to the TikTok bot. Here I'm typing down give me a ticket. Now TikTok will send you a submit a ticket option available there. Tap on it. Now you can screenshot that your TikTok country or region is not updating and send it to the TikTok support. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.